Hello YouTube. Yes, I'm still alive and kicking and still living with stage 4 lung cancer. It's been, I think, it's been at least close to a year since I've done my last video, and I have added to this since I've done my last video. I don't think I had this side cab or the uppers at the time, so I have had people posting on some of my older videos asking how I'm doing, and hey, I'm still here kicking. And I do have these add-ons since the last time, so give everyone a look. I still have, I'm not really getting any worse with my cancer, but I'm not getting any better either. So, there may be some pauses and stuff going through here. Said I'm not real steady on my feet. So, these are the upper Master Force cabinets. If you're not familiar, Master Force is the house brand of Menards, and I do have a Menards that's local to me. If you don't have a Menards, these cabinets are made by Montezuma, so you can look. They're about twice the cost though, underneath their own brand. But if you do like these, that's an option for you with no Menards. These open up like so, and right, there's a brake bleeder kit and impact wrench and other molded cases. The fuel line clamps, brake fluid, fork seal kit, spare spark plugs. There's the left, here's the right. Some, never have enough rags. Maximum Motorcycle products, I do like them. Work well. All kinds of anti-seize, silicone paste. That's the cool one I use in all of my motorcycles. At least the water-cooled ones that I own. And we got some carb cleaner, brake clean hanging in the back, and dielectric grease. So that's it for the uppers. This will work out better, or I can sit on my bike lift now. It's our main socket drawer here. Since the last video, I'm not sure much has changed. Could be some new things. The 1/2 inch impacts, it's right tool. These 3/8 shallow, mid, and deep, those are all Koken. We'll just keep coming this way. The 1/4 inch, the shallow and deeps are top tool, and the mid depths are Koken. And these ones here, these super shallows, those are Koken Zeals. We got Koken hex bits and Koken nut grips and quarter drive. Couple 1/4 inch Koken ratchets here. The Carlisle Roto, the El Cheapo Carlisle round head, a Proto, and the Ultra Pro, which is Canadian Carlisle. Go to the back here. There's some, I believe the torque sockets are Titan, and I think these big hex sockets, I think those are also Titan. This is an OEM 10mm kit. And we got some more Koken stuff here. 3/8 drive hex sockets, Koken 3/8 nut grip, Koken super shallows, and a few deeps. In the back there's some 1/2-inch drive. Those are the chrome ones are Tecton and just the sizes I use. I guess there is one oddball here. This is this actually socket. It's sold for some kind of Honda application, but it also fits the top fork preload adjustment nuts on one of my motorcycles, which is what I use it for. I believe it's Sunix. Three-eighths drive ratchets, Koken roto head, Koken flex head, Carlisle, another Carlisle round head, and a couple 1/2-inch drives. Got the right round head, the big 25-inch long Mac 1/2-inch drive. This Mac is an 18-inch 3/8 drive. Got a Vim 1/4-inch really long one here, and Koken spark plug socket, used it recently, and the Carlisle round head bit driver, plus a bit ratchet here. Couple torque wrenches, Harbor Freight Quinn, that's electronic, and then also have the Icon 1/2-inch, like it, both used recently. 1/4-inch extensions are Koken, 3/8 drive are Koken as well. Wrenches. This is a USAG set. USAG's they're an Italian company, but they're owned by Stanley Black & Decker. So these are the same wrenches you can get under the Facom brand or Mac Tools as well. It's a very complete set though. I believe it starts at 5 and goes all the way to 32 with it does skip 31, but that's it. There's some right double box. These are the Icon ratcheting wrenches. I kept these from my big sale. They're so long you get a lot of leverage with them. When you have cancer and no strength, the extra leverage can really help out. And then these Tecton stubbies. Next, my Carlisle wrenches. Do like them, again, for the length. Extra leverage can be really handy when you have no strength. Some miscellaneous screwdrivers over here. Those Motion Pro, those are JIS bits. I haven't had the chance to try them though. I have plenty of JIS screwdrivers. I just grab one of those. And then a couple big long vessel in the back. This is more or less the show or tell result. Everything in here is a Kawasaki, made in Japan stuff. Very hard to get in the USA. Over here, these are Yamaha branded wrenches. There's some KTC, another Koken 1/4-inch ratchet, These are Dean tools, roto heads, and also have these Pro Auto compact head ratchets. This is a Kawasaki 10mm. Some various hex tools there. Plier drawer. Give you a quick peek in there. Pneumatic drawer. Don't really use this stuff too often anymore, but still have it. Let's come over here. Mostly vessel screwdrivers in here. Some feeler gauges. They got used recently did a major service on one of my own bikes. Just finished up this week with lots of help from friends. Mac picks. Really good picks. Do like them. Kind of miscellaneous. The Lang metric rethread kit. Craftsman crow's foot. Old right tool. Micrometer and digital caliper. Some top tool stubbies. More hex tools. Never owned enough of them for bikes. The Mac Tools RBRT kit. It's expensive, but it is complete. Works well. Bottom here. Hammers, chisels, punches. No real standouts to talk about in there. We'll come over to the side cab. A lot of my motorcycle and extra keys. A lot of motorcycle specific stuff in here. These are coke and stud removal sockets, so some kind of miscellaneous junk, temp gun, small engine, tack. More motorcycle specific stuff. Fork servicing tools. Tweezer kit. Cat 5 crimper. Vessel crystal lines. JIS drivers. No, I'm not going through this. Just a lot more motorcycle specific stuff. Right, that's fork seal driver. This is a fork seal driver. Electrical stuff, fluke meter. That's 1/4 inch digital torque wrench. It's too hard for me to get on the ground and take that stuff out. Gun safe hasn't really changed. There's nothing new in there. Come over to my power tools. I don't know if I ever showed this. This is I can't read that freaking part number. It's the DeWalt 380 Atomic. This thing has a ton of power, and I do really like it. Makita electric ratchet, and I have a 1/4 inch impact, and of course cordless drill. Other DeWalt stuff. DeWalt radio charger. Some Pratt Reed screwdrivers. Bondus T-handles. My Let Brock Buy photo. Then I also still have this smaller international box Not much in it, but drill bits. These, I did have these for sale. Just kept getting lowballed, so just took them off the market. Some various vessel stuff. Zip ties and a couple oil filter wrenches. Nothing. A couple empty organizers. Kind of miscellaneous garbage. 1/4 inch metric. Spark plug tools, radiator hose picks. Angle grinder, Dremel. My DeWalt plug-in tools. Still got my Bison Bile Vise. Motorcycle specific tools again there. There's some DeWalt wrenches hanging. I don't know if I should. These are Koken T-handles. They have some others down here. These are Sonoda. The brand that's you know, like the Japanese plier company. They also recently started making these. These are really nice, but they don't sell them as a kit. You have to buy them individually, and they are not cheap. Are available on Amazon though. Just, you know, quick look around. Bike lift did get I had a bike on here for one of my own for 2 months, and just finished it up this week a few days ago. And maybe I'll pop a short video clip of the bike in here running, and we'll take a look on the other side really quick here. Okay, this is the other side of my shop where still have this DeWalt tool board. Nothing's really changed on it since I made a specific video of it in the past. I got another computer out here that I just use for streaming music basically. But I have SAE and metric tools over here. Old stereo system. And the bike you just saw running, it's this one here. Just received major service. It's a 2001 model. I bought this bike brand new, so I've owned it 22 years now. I bought it in 2002 as a leftover model. But there's some of my others in the background. Well, this little Honda, that does not belong to me. It's a friend of mine's. The mileage, 52,125. So it does, my bikes do get ridden. I don't mind showing my license plates. And yes, they do have motorcycle handicap plates. That is mine. Just come back around and back into the shop. So that'll do it for the 2024 edition. I'll probably have other videos. I've got a new helmet cam to take you know, riding videos on my bike, but you're not going to see no hauling ass stuff on my channel. These days I'm just happy to be able to still ride a little bit. So thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you in the future.